Welcome to my channel. This video is for a loop chain. Please consider joining my YouTube family by subscribing, and don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. To begin, I'm cutting a ribbon for the center for what I'm going to attach my loops to. I'm using a 1.3 inch width and just cut it a couple inches, 1 to 2 inches longer than what you need. My loops are going to be made with 7/8 inch ribbons, and I'm using two different colors here, navy and red. You could also use the 7/8 for your center ribbon as well if you wanted to. And I cut mine at 5 inches long because I didn't want it really wide. Normally you would cut them at 6 inches. It just depends on how wide you want this. This is going to be for a mini mum. And so I'm not going to need a very long chain since it's for a mini mum. And you just want to make 2 loops, and you are making a point with those 2 loops at the top. So the way you attach them or layer them together there, you want to make sure that those edges are all clean at the top and it makes a nice point at the top. And that's just for this particular loop chain. And I was just showing you, you could do 2 colors together, or you could do 2 solid colors. It just depends on what you want. I'm going to do solid colors, but you could do, red on one side, navy on the other. That would look really cute too. This was just the pattern or design I wanted to go with. And then you just need to add 1 staple right there in the middle. And see that clean point at the top is what I was talking about. So you want to make good clean cuts when you cut this ribbon as well. You want them straight across so they'll line up perfectly. And then I'm going to alternate, so I'm going to do 2 red loops, then 2 navy loops, and just keep doing that. And then I am going to add a pretty silver glitter there in the middle as well, just to kind of change it up. When you attach these loops, you have different options. I'm going to leave a little space in between each one. You could overlap these. You could butt them up right up against each other, or you could space them out as much as you wanted. You also have the option, you could do a few loops at the bottom, and then you could, if you wanted to do stickers, like the year or their name or something, and then you could do more loops if you have room on the top, depending how long of a mum you're making. You could do more loops on the top. So this is a chain that you could have a lot of fun with. So I could have left a little space and did like 20, 21, and then did some more loops. Or again, like I said, you could do their name or the school or the mascot or whatever. You have lots and lots of options with this chain, and you can do the colors differently. You can do, like I said, you can layer them differently. You can leave no space, lots of space, and then so every one of them is going to turn out looking different. So this, if you learn how to make this chain, you can make it in so many different ways that every mum you make, you can really make it look different. So here is the glitter ribbon that I'm using, and I could have done like a red or a navy on the inside. That way when you looked on the inside, you could have seen the color, and that would have looked pretty too. I didn't even think about it at the time, but that's an option too. You could actually double up all these ribbons and do 1 color on the outside and 1 color on the inside, and you'd get something really pretty. So there are lots of options with this. You do want to cover up those staples, so usually I just do some bling. You could cut that glitter ribbon into squares. I've done that as well too, and glue that over the staples, just something to cover those up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to comment with any questions, or if there's anything you're wanting to see, anything special, let me know and I'll try to accommodate you. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. Please be kind with your comments. Please be kind to others, and happy mum making, everyone.